Guys, today's video is going to be a short quick tutorial on Windows how to centralize your taskbar icons so it will look like the Windows 11. So let's go straight to the video. For that, all you need to do is just click, you uncheck lock the taskbar, and you right click again on the taskbar. You go to toolbar right up here, you check links. You see some of this, you see these two bars here, this one and this one. What you need to do is you press and you drag this one right to the end, so you are seeing it coming, and this ones as it has coming, you just take this one and you drag it right there. So that is it. You try to centralize it. So you can still leave it like this, but you don't want to have this bars here. So what you need to do is you just right click again and you click on lock the taskbar. So that is it. It has been centralized and there are no other ones there. So that's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel.